We are Group Happy New Year, and my name is Obita Roy. I will talk about the circuit. For this circuit, we need Arduino DHT11 sensor, resistor, virtual terminal, and COM physical interface module. We have set the value of resistor as 4.7 kilo ohm. We have connected RXT pin of Arduino to TXT pin of virtual terminal. We have to make sure the pins of Arduino, TXT and RXT are connected with pins of COM physical interface module TXT and RXT respectively. We have uploaded the hex file in this Arduino. Finally, if we simulate it, we will get the temperature and humidity value.
Assalamualaikum, I am Jarin Tasnim. I have prepared our lab view part. Firstly, from this numeric part, I have brought thermometer and humidity meter. Secondly, for this waveform graph, I went to the part graph and then waveform chart. We have selected the list table and tree. To create this table, we gave the date, time, temperature, humidity, and our ID in this table. So let's move to the block diagram window. And for this part, we went to instrument IO, and from the VISA, we brought clear and read for cleaning and reading the data. I have set the VISA resource with the clear part in order to connect the comfort with the Proteus and LabVIEW part. We have set error part to check the error. We have also set a timer part. We ensured all the connectivity here since we need current time. That's why we brought this data string and connected to the input array. And here also we have added our ID. After all this, we have sent this data to output array. Also we have added a shift register, and table control came from the previous LabVIEW setup. We have set string and array constant here. Once we are done with all this setup, we need to save and run this project. Thanks.
Hello, I am Sanjeev Kumar Sen, and now I will talk about the overall implementation of this system as well as the Arduino code we have used for this program. So in the Arduino code, we have imported the DHT system module to get the humidity and temperature values from the sensor. Then we have used DHT type 11 for this program. We have used 9600 serial, and we have used 500 delay in order to get the temperature values after half second continuously. Then we, after implementing all the codes, we have exported it as a hex file, and then we imported the hex file in our Arduino interface to run this program. Then we have created COM3 and COM4 pair in our virtual serial port driver so that we can use those ports. And we have used COM3 port in our virtual COM interface, and we have used COM4 in our LabVIEW project. And if we want to run this program, let's start it by clicking here. You can see that software is logging the values. We still have not got any temperature or humidity value. Now if we run this program in Proteus, you can see that in the virtual terminal we are getting the humidity and temperature value, and here we can see the humidity and temperature values are logging. So this is our ID number, and this is the humidity, and this is the temperature value.